Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush jungle, there lived a mischievous monkey named Milo and a wise old crocodile named Cecil. Despite their contrasting personalities, the monkey and the crocodile had formed an unlikely friendship over the years. Milo, the energetic and playful monkey, would spend his days swinging from tree to tree, chattering with the other animals, and occasionally getting into harmless trouble. On the other hand, Cecil, the calm and patient crocodile, would bask in the sun near the riverbank, observing the jungle's happenings with a wise gaze. One sunny morning, as Milo leaped from branch to branch, he stumbled upon a shiny golden fruit that had fallen from a tree. The curious monkey had never seen anything like it before, and immediately thought it was a treasure. Unable to contain his excitement, Milo decided to take the golden fruit to show Cecil, his trusted companion. Milo bounded towards the riverbank where Cecil lay and excitedly shouted, "Cecil, look what I found! It's a golden fruit. Isn't it incredible?" Cecil opened his eyes and studied the fruit carefully. With a gentle smile, he responded, "Indeed, Milo, it is remarkable, but remember, not everything that glitters is gold. We should be cautious." Ignoring Cecil's words of caution, Milo insisted on keeping the golden fruit and asked Cecil to help him carry it back to their favorite spot in the jungle. Cecil, concerned for Milo's safety, reluctantly agreed and decided to accompany him. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, news of the golden fruit spread among the animals. Greed and envy filled the hearts of many, including a cunning python named Cecil, who was notorious for his deceitful nature. Cecil devised a plan to steal the golden fruit from Milo and Cecil, hoping to claim its supposed riches for himself. Under the cover of darkness, Cecil slithered his way towards the unsuspecting duo. He hissed, "Hand over the golden fruit, or face my wrath." Milo and Cecil were taken aback by the python's demand. Cecil, using his wisdom, realized the danger they were in and quickly devised a plan. He turned to Cecil and said, "Dear Python, we are but humble creatures who seek no quarrel. However, this golden fruit holds special significance to us. Allow us to explain." Intrigued, Cecil hesitated and allowed Cecil to continue. Cecil shared the story of their friendship, the value they placed on trust, and the importance of cherishing what they had. His words struck a chord within Cecil, reminding him of the true meaning of friendship. Touched by the sincerity of their bond, Cecil, who had initially been driven by greed, decided to change his ways. He vowed to protect Milo and Cecil from harm, and even guided them safely back to their beloved spot in the jungle. From that day forward, Milo, Cecil, and Cecil became an unlikely trio, displaying the power of unity and friendship. They shared many adventures, their unique strengths complementing one another, and their loyalty never wavering. The golden fruit, though no longer the focus of their attention, remained a symbol of the valuable lesson they had learned. It served as a reminder to appreciate the treasures that lie within relationships, rather than the material wealth that glitters from afar. And so, the monkey, the crocodile, and the python continued to live harmoniously in the jungle, teaching other creatures about the power of friendship, understanding, and the true meaning of treasures found within the heart.